Here's an app called Ku. Know what's happening. Multi-image. So yeah, this is basically super easy microblogging app. So basically simplified version of Twitter. So in case you're looking for some alternatives to Twitter, this app is rising in the charts. It's not that popular as Mastodon, Blue Sky, or even like Truth Social or something like that, but it's also getting some traction. This app was for here for a while, but it's still works. There are some niche communities, so you can just sign up easily with your Google or Apple account. Then this is how it looks like. So very similar to Twitter. You can see your feed. That's the people you follow basically. So I just created your my account. You can see some guides like how to make the most of Kuba. You just can update your profile. You can just share your thoughts, so you can get some followers. So then you have other people you can follow. Just depending on where you sign up, you'll get recommendations in that country. Then you can just follow some hashtags. So hashtags is available here. Then you can see some trending tags. Then you can see messages. You can start the conversation. There are direct messages here. Then you can enable or disable that, and then just basically your notifications. In the top left, you have your profile. You can add photos. If you wanna, you can just edit your profile. You can change your handle, your username, your name, profession, your bio, and then education, work experience, add some social links, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, change your profile picture, easily add photos. Yeah, so that's basically that, and then they will be reflected here in your banner. You can just change your description as well. By the way, if you want to migrate from Twitter, there is a button here to migrate from Twitter. You can find your Twitter following and follow them. You can also get your tweets, easily move your tweets to Ku. So just sign in with Twitter and then it should be easy. You can also create your first Ku. Kuing is very easy. People who create at least 10 Kus have a much higher likelihood of being noticed by users. Try and Ku every day with some good fresh thoughts. Create engaging Kus. So yeah, it's like this is just like a Twitter, and instead of tweets you have Kus. You can find your friends. Try to invite friends from your contacts. You can see trending Kus. You can see some comments. You can see rekus, which are basically retweets, and some additional comments. So that's basically that. And then yeah, if you want to post something, you can just post. You can add images, videos, quotes. There is some comment preferences. There is some also limit of characters. Then also you can create threads, and then you can just post. And then yeah, there's some thing where you can post in different languages, which is kind of interesting. So now your Ku is posted. You can delete it, you can edit it. So yeah, that's basically what you can do. So it's kind of like simplistic version of Twitter. I don't know how many people are here, but I just know that some people are trying it out for just as a Twitter alternative. Seems it's just popular in specific countries, maybe in Latin America or something. Then you can also see some trending Kus. So yeah, something like that.